Hey guys, this is Lynn from Paper Piece. Today I am covering one of my Vault boxes, one of my DSTASH boxes. It's going to be a link in the description to purchase it. It is $75. That includes shipping. And once you have an opportunity to see everything that's included, you will know why I'm charging that price. It is going to be in a box that is 14 by 14 by 6. It weighs 15 pounds. I've already weighed all of it. That's how I came to the actual price to include shipping as well. So here I go. This box is a culmination of some Ollie's things, but out of my own personal stash of things too. So the first thing is going to be a 12 by 12 paper pad of the Minions. Second is going to be K & Company special paper. Third is going to be one of Hobby Lobby's Paper Studio Autumn Paper Crafting Kit. Another one is going to be DCWV Die Cut Shapes. Another is going to be Maggie Holmes Sunny Days Chipboard Stickers. Another one is going to be Park Lane World Tour Paper Pad. Another is Everyday Paper. Another one is Paper Studio Evergreen Greetings. In this pack includes several other papers that I have, including some out of my personal stash. One, just because it fits so well in there too. Person's going to get Cricut foil transfer sheets. This pack, I'm gonna go from the back, includes, well, hold on, let me just do it the best way I know how. There will be 2 candy cane vellum sheets from the Paper Studio, which we all know is Hobby Lobby. 2 Gobble Gobble sheets, Paper Studio. 2 Thankful sheets, Paper Studio. From the video I showcased the other night, there will be 2 of these vellum sheets that are specialty papers, these vellum from AC Cardstock. There will be 2 Coordinations 12 by 12 sugarcane cardstock. Yeah, I'll turn it this way. There will be 2 of these beautiful papers from Paper Studio. Fall, I think. This is cute. There will be 2 12 by 12 cardstock in this beautiful cream. I think this is a fall red, so to speak, 12 by 12, 2 of these. This beautiful blue cardstock, 2 of these. This beautiful orange, 2 of these. It's beautiful brown, 2 of these, which you'll see all of these coordinate together. All of these coordinate together. So I'll just take and do these like this. Okay, for right now. Yeah, for right now. I am including 2 Bobani October. This is cute. October calendar cutouts. It says time and place for October. It's double-sided. Really pretty paper. 2 of these. I've got 2 sheets from Paige Evans. I think it's the Wonders collection. I'm not 100% certain, but I think it is. Then I got 2 sheets from Bobani, where it says Sweet Moments. It's pretty, double-sided. 2 sheets from Jen Hatfield. Hey, hello, double-sided. Then these are regular sheets. These are out of my stash, American Crafts, single-sided. These. Two of each one of these that I've been showing. Okay. Paper Studio confetti cardstock pack. It's 50 sheets. Color Box Primary GEO. It's 50 sheets in there. Then I am including Park Lane maps, text, and ledgers paper pad. Jen Hadfield, I never can get this right. Heart to Home, Heart Loves Home, I don't know, but it's in there. I've got DCWV Wild Floral, double-sided print cardstock pad, DCWV Bell and Bloom, DCWV Urban Street. I'm including Park Lane neutrals. This is a 4.5 by 6.5. It's got 67 sheets in there. It's textured. I am including Flower Child card kit. I showcased this the other night. I'm including one of the mini notebooks from Heidi Swap. I don't even know what to call this. Photo flip book. This is what it looks like. I'm including one of these. Key & Company keys. These are actually keys. These are really, really nice too. Vicky Booten ephemera pack, 50 pieces. I may have to fold this down just a little bit to get it in the box, but just know this is what you're receiving. So once again, the price of this particular Vault box, this DeSTASH Vault box, is $75. It includes every single thing that I have shown you in this video. To purchase, the link is in the description. If you have any questions, by all means, don't hesitate to send a comment and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. Thanks so much.